Hello, my name is Stefan Ruhkamp and I'm the Head of Product Management at Rotenberger. Today I would like to talk about our health. The corona pandemic caused a standstill in many areas: schools and daycare facilities, offices and administration buildings, as well as hotels and restaurants. Now these facilities are being reopened step by step. To be compliant with the latest hygiene regulations, drinking water lines, AC units and surfaces should be cleaned or disinfected. Rotenberger offers the right tools to do these jobs. Our flushing compressor, RoPulse EDM, to flush and disinfect drinking water lines. Our battery sprayer, RoSaniClean 15, for the disinfection of aircon units and surfaces. Our SaniFresh spray to clean aircon indoor units. Visit our website now to learn more about a safe and healthy way out of the lockdown.